In the past several classes, I start with this graph almost every class. You may wonder why, only because it is very, very important. Now, it is also something that we need to rely on to get into inferential statistics from descriptive statistics. The start of it is hypothesis testing. Okay, so how do we get into inferential statistics? Look at this. If we know the population mean, but for some reason we know a population and we know its mean. However, we cannot get all the subjects from the population. We get a sample. But we don't know. We have a sample with us. We don't know if the sample is from the population or if it's not. It could be from a different population. And then we hypothesize if it has come from this certain population, what is the sample going to be like? The sample is going to have a mean that belongs to this distribution, the distribution of the mean here. And then the standard deviation of this distribution is the standard error. And the mean of this distribution is the population mean. That is what we learned before. Okay, if our sample is from this population, it should belong to this distribution. However, if it belongs to this distribution, it does not exactly fall on the mean of the population. It may be here, maybe there, or maybe over the board somewhere. It's mean. How do we decide whether this sample is from the population that we're thinking about? Okay, this is something about hypothesis test. Let's start with the example given in our text.